All of you open your books, page number 110, chapter Insects. Now in the last class we studied about insects. I am going to recap last lecture as revision, then we'll proceed to our new topic. Insects are found everywhere in deserts, on high mountain peaks, deep caves, freshwater ponds, etc. Now, the number of insect species is believed to be between 6 to 10 millions. So, insect belong to the largest group of animal. It belongs to the largest group of animal as listen once again. The number of insect species is approximately 6 to 10 millions. So it is largest group of animals. Which group? Insect is the largest group of animal because the number of species are approximately 6 to 10 millions. So it is the largest group. Now point number 2, insect bodies have 3 parts. Bodies of insect and what are those 3 parts? ये हम कर चुके हैं. What are those 3 parts? Head, thorax, and number 3 part of the body is body of insect is divided into 3 parts. And what are those 3 parts? Head, thorax, abdomen. Now insects have 2 antennae. These are the general characteristics you can say. Insects have 2 antennae, also known as feelers. All insects have 2 antennae, and that antennae are also known as feelers. That antennae is also known as feelers. Now, these are the general characteristics you can say and are present in each and every insect. All insects have 3 pairs of legs. 3 pairs of legs. 3 pair means altogether 6 legs. 3 pairs of legs mean altogether 6 legs. Number 5 point, fifth point is compound eyes. And what is compound eyes? I told you before. Eye with many lenses. These are known as compound eyes. Now bees, termites and ant lives in well organized manner. Which type of insects live in well organized manner? Honeybees, termites and ants lives in a very organized manner in social colonies. Means they live together. They live together and are known as social insects. What are they known as? Social insects. What are social insects? Those insects that live together in a very organized manner in colonies are known as social insects. And which insects are included in social insects? Which common insects are known as social insects? Bees, termites. Common insects are bees, termites and ants. These are known as social insects because they live together in a very well organized manner. Now insects are cold-blooded. All insects are cold-blooded. Now what are cold-blooded animals or insects? Those animals or insects that change their body temperature according to surrounding temperature are known as cold-blooded animals. Most insects hatch from egg. Some common insects which we commonly see. Common insects are housefly, cockroach, mosquitoes, etc. Now if you remember, we next discussed housefly as an insect. Now houseflies are found all over the world. Especially in warm and moist, dirty places. Because it is an insect of dirt, so it like to live in warm and moist and dirty places. As they breed in dirt, they live there and help to spread many diseases because they are the insect of dirt. They live on dirt, they give egg on dirt. Their whole process of breeding takes place in dirt, and they are the carrier of many diseases. Which diseases? Typhoid, dysentery, cholera. Houseflies spread diseases. We are discussing housefly as an example. Housefly spread many diseases. And what are those diseases? Typhoid. We have already done all this. Typhoid, dysentery, These are the three common diseases spread by houseflies. I explained you before that what is dysentery. Dysentery is actually an infection of intestine. Dysentery is disease. Which type of disease? It is infection of intestine. Severe diarrhea. Severe type of diarrhea is also known as dysentery. Now what is cholera? Cholera is bacterial disease. Cholera is bacterial disease spread by bacterial disease. Cholera is bacterial disease. It is usually spread through contaminated water. Severe dehydration, loss of minerals, you can say loss of minerals, and it can be very much fatal. Fatal means very much dangerous. Dysentery is intestinal infection. Typhoid is a type of fever. Dysentery is intestinal infection, and cholera is bacterial disease. It is usually spread through contaminated water. I also explained